Hey, hey, hey. All right, so I found another way to generate NSFW stories for Reddit. Hey, my name's Bjorn from YourOnlyFans.com. I'm the owner of Your OnlyFans Empire and Empire Forums. Your OnlyFans Empire is a management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. It's different hotel rooms and traveling and all my different videos. Check me out at Bjorn Official on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get you back to the video. Or for any other platform that you want to generate NSFW stories for, I had to find another way because if you've seen any of my other videos, I showed how to generate NSFW content with a thing that was called, I think it was unfiltered ChatGPT or uncensored ChatGPT, something like that. I even posted on Empire and it involved getting an API key from the OpenAI website and then using a kind of different version of ChatGPT that someone else developed called unfiltered ChatGPT. And anyway, I developed this whole spreadsheet full of captions and prompts where you could just input it into this unfiltered ChatGPT and it'll generate stories or, as you can see down here, questions or captions for like spicy photos, any kind of NSFW text-based content. Well, for some reason, that website is no longer working. Well, you can go on unfiltered ChatGPT or whatever it was called, but when it comes to generate, it will just forever load. It will just load forever. It will just keep loading. It will never generate anything. And I've had a few people approach me saying, hey, you aware of this? I was like, yeah, I'm aware of this. How I was previously getting around it was I was actually just generating kind of safe for work stories for Reddit and just seeing where I could push the limits there, you know, kind of what words I get it to generate. But you can't do this forever. Of course, eventually you need to generate NSFW stories for Reddit. I mainly developed this idea because I found that posting text-only content arguably generated more interest from simps than posting images. For some reason, when you leave a lot to the imagination, it tends to drive guys wild. And I noticed that the account always got more DMs when I just post stories or questions or, you know, stories or questions really. So anyway, long story short, if you are doing that strategy and you want to generate traffic to an OnlyFans account through Reddit or Reddit stories, well, you can do a bit of everything. You can post photos to, you know, some subreddits, stories from another subreddit, questions from another subreddit, do all the above. Anyway, my point is I found another way because I'm awesome, all right? So first I did a bit of Googling and I found this website called Freedom GPT. But then I went to launch it and, you know, signed in using a Google account and whatever. And I went to post one of these captions here, this one here. I don't know how YouTube is going to take this. So if you read here, it gets a little, so I tried, you know, using the kind of the most safe for work version of all these. Anyway, so I tried this on a few different websites. Freedom ChatGPT didn't work, so that was shit. And to be honest, the only alternative I found was not a version of ChatGPT. It was actually a website that I used to use. So I used to use this to generate stories for Reddit, but I found that they weren't coming out very good and I was getting a lot of reports to the account. And that was because the stories were actually coming out or mixed match and you could tell it was written by an AI. But anyway, I decided to revisit this and try my luck. All right, so what I'll do is I'll copy a story from here. As you can see, these get quite rowdy. And so we'll go for this one because it is YouTube. We'll go for this one down the bottom. Go back to Toolbars and we'll paste it in. And then we'll go right down here. It's a lot of ads. It doesn't even look as good as ChatGPT, but look, you gotta make do with what you got, all right? So then we'll see what it comes up with. The few that I tried, it looked good. It looked good. It didn't look as good as, you know, unfiltered ChatGPT, but it still looked pretty good. I would say that you might need to tailor it a little bit. You know, something might look off for you, or you might need to add some kind of flair to it. But yeah, while I was trying it, it looked pretty good. And look, that's all we've got because I've tried these other jailbreak ChatGPT websites and they use, you know, jailbreaking prompts like Dan or I don't know, whatever other ones they got. None of them worked with any of these story prompts. So yeah, I had to find an AI story writer generator thing that was like an alternative to ChatGPT. This is what I found. So if you still want to post NSFW content to Reddit, or you want to use this spreadsheet that I have uploaded on Empire, the caption master, or you want to develop your own spreadsheets, look, if you want to do it yourself, just come up with something like this. 500-word story, or you can make a 600-word story, or you can change that to like 25-year-old or whatever. whatever. Do it yourself. If you don't want the spreadsheet, no worries. You want to do it yourself? No worries. But yeah, so I guess you have to use this website. It's kind of like all we've got. So that's it. I hope that helped. If you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.